In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this Android. All you need to do is go into Play Store and download free app from Launcher Studio Developer called Launcher OS. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings and scroll to tap on Apps and Notifications. Then scroll down again to access default apps. Click on Home app and click on Launcher Pro to apply it. Then choose Allow All and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes to it, you can always access Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default one, go back to the same settings and click on ASUS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!